Hi guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. Hope you all are doing well. If you're new here, I create eye makeup, nail art, crocheting and DIY videos. So welcome to Shimmers and Polishes, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it for notifications. If you know, I really love colors and I'm back with another colorful eye makeup look. So for today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this easy blue yellow eye makeup look. So if you're someone who loves colors, then this tutorial is for you guys. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. To begin with, I'm going to prime my lids with LA Girls concealer in the shade medium beige, and I'm going to blend that all well with my fingers, and then I'm going to go and set that with some setting powder by Colourpop. And for this tutorial, I'll be using 35B Color Burst palette by Morphe, and I'm going to use this beautiful blue shade that looks only beautiful in the palette called Sky, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid. See, I'm going to use first I'm going to dab that color and then I'm going to blend that. So I'm going to go over that color again and again till I'm happy with the color payoff, because it was very light on my lids, but I'm working it out. You have to go over and over the same shade again. I'm going to use this beautiful berry shade as my transition, and I'm going to blend that all well, so that it looks all beautifully blended and there's a beautiful transition from blue to berry. I wanted to apply some yellow in my inner corners, but you know, the yellow that I have, it doesn't pop on my skin tone. I don't know why, so I'm applying a white shadow. I'm trying all the ways to get that yellow pop. So I have applied a white shadow, and then I'm going to go over with some yellow shadow from the same palette. I think the shade is called Sunshine, but the color doesn't pop. I don't know why. So I'm going to blend that yellow and blue all together. Then for my under eye dark circles, I'm going to use LA Girls concealer in the shade medium beige, and I'm going to allow it to get a little tacky. Till then, I'm going to do my brows. I'm going to use Sugar's brow definer in the shade cherry brown, and I'm going to fill in the sparse areas of my brows, and I'm brushing that all in place so that it looks all natural. Now I'm blending that concealer, and I'm going to set that in place with Colourpop setting powder in translucent. I'm going to use the same blue shadow on a flat brush, and I'm going to smudge out my low waterline. I'm going to blend that with the same berry shade again, and I'm going to apply the same yellow shade on my inner corner. I'm going to use Maybelline's Huda Kohl liner on my upper waterline, and for my low waterline I'm going to use Maybelline's Colossal liner in turquoise. I'm going to use the denim shade from the same palette as my eyeliner. I'm not going to go with a wing liner. I'm going to use Mary's Luminizer as my brow bone and inner corner highlight. I'm going to curl my lashes, and I'm going to apply Maybelline's Hyper Volume Express mascara. If you want, you can go ahead and add falsies if you would like to. I'm talking super fast for this video, guys. And voila, there you have a super easy colorful eye makeup look, perfect for any occasion. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe. Guys, please subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes and show some love. There are many more under 5-minute short videos on my channel, so please do go and check out my channel and shower my channel with some love by hitting the subscribe button and watching all my videos. I have created some 4 freckles. That's why you can see those dark black dots on my cheeks. And until next time, y'all take care, and I love y'all guys. Bye.